Mounting concerns this evening that the island could lose one of its most prominent natural treasures if urgent action is not taken. The administrators at Hope Gardens in St. Andrew say frequent floods have been threatening the integrity of the infrastructure in the gardens. The Chinese garden in particular is most at risk. Hope Gardens transformed into Hope River. This is mere minutes after heavy rainfall in the hills of St. Andrew recently.
We have to be replanting ever so often. The staff here, a lot of work goes into clearing the silt that comes with the water from time to time. So it creates a real challenge for us in terms of maintenance.
Carla Myrie is Executive Director of Nature Preservation Foundation, the managers of the gardens. She told us almost every year since 2018, the facility suffers from extensive flooding. The Chinese garden is the most affected, and there are clear signs that the foundation of the wall is compromised.
So the Hope Zoo is usually inundated with water and mud and silt and you know, all kinds of things that you find in gullies whenever it rains. So it creates a serious problem. We have had to close the Chinese gardens for periods after we have had these significant events in terms of the flooding. So that is something that we really need to be looking at now in terms of ensuring that, you know, we safeguard the structure there.
And Professor of Urban Planning and Public Policy at the University of Technology, Dr. Carol Archer, has an idea for managing the water. She told TVJ News that developments in the hills and the effects of climate change are contributing to the flood.
One of the things that we have been considering here at Hope Gardens is to create retention ponds in and around the garden so that the water can be properly managed, and expand the drains, the drain network we have in Hope Gardens.
However, more funding is needed to achieve those goals.
Thankfully, recently, the Hope Gardens received funding from EFJ, and we expanded just a small area in the garden. Where we're standing now, sections were expanded, but what we're seeing is throughout the gardens. We are actually now in serious trouble in terms of the Chinese garden, which is a gift from the government of China.
And now they're hoping that more stakeholders will come on board to help save the facility.